Hello, I am so excited to announce that our HubVIP AI agent is now up and running, with the caveat that we are still training it, and so we do need your help. If you ask it a question and it comes back with a wonky or nonsensical answer, please screenshot it and send it to me so that we can continue to refine it. Now, another caveat, this is just an AI tool. Nothing replaces you coming directly to us in the forums and asking your questions. We love to answer every single one of your questions, but we know that you also want to be able to access information and content from HubVIP as quickly as possible. We know you have busy schedules, and so this is what the AI tool is designed to do. Let me show you how it works. So you're going to go to your private message bubble up here, and you are going to see that there are two agents. The community support assistant, its only job is to help every single member of the Montessori Homeschool Hub find information that they need to navigate the platform. So things like, how do I update my payment information? Where do I update my notifications? Things like that. What you are going to want to use is the HubVIP Assistant. This is exclusively for HubVIP members, and it provides access to the vast quantity of videos that we have in HubVIP. So what you're going to do is click the plus button to open up a new conversation. There are some pre-programmed questions and answers to things that are commonly asked. So if you have one of these questions, just click on it and it'll give you the answer right away. But where this thing is going to help us so much is in answering your questions about where to find content within the HubVIP platform. So here's an example that you can ask it. So you can say, what are the sensitive periods? So you can ask it Montessori theory questions and it will pull from the content in HubVIP. So it gives you information here, and then it will link to one or more lessons. It doesn't mean that those are the only lessons that mention this, but it will link to a relevant lesson to get you started. And oftentimes you will also get this little button that shows you sources. If you click there, you will see additional sources that you can click on, and it will take you to those videos that have information. But let's click here to see what happens. And there you go. It takes you to our First Steps course, and it takes you to the specific video that mentions the sensitive periods. You can always start a new conversation if you're going off on different tangents, or if you want to keep your topics organized. So you might have one conversation that is all about materials, another one that's all about Montessori theory. So you might want to have those separate. So let's start a new conversation. This time we're going to ask it about a material. So let's say you want information about the golden beads. So where can I find information on the golden beads? Here we go. It gives you a workshop recording, it gives you the primary math video library, and it gives you two sources here that you can choose from. You can also ask it something like, what are fundamental human needs? Any Montessori theory, any Montessori concept that we've talked about in HubVIP, it will be able to pull from. Here you go. It gives you information on what fundamental human needs is. It gives you a link, and it also gives you 3 sources, and you can click on any of these sources and it will take you to the video lesson, the replay, or the course lesson. We cannot connect it to the timeline yet, so it cannot tell you the age or which lesson comes after what. Now, we can also look up things like discounts. What discounts do I get as a HubVIP member? Here we go, and it gives you the link where you can go. If you have questions about parenting resources within HubVIP, you can ask something like, how do I improve communication with my child? And the AI assistant will give you a couple of video suggestions as well as a source video. And you can ask a follow-up, like what other positive discipline videos support communication, and it will give you additional videos. And if you are trying to ask a question that your HubVIP assistant cannot answer for you, and you want to reach us directly, you can use the words error or need help. It will pause the AI assistant and it will contact either Claire or me, and then we will be able to answer your message. Now, please remember that Claire and I are not on the platform 24/7. We are real human beings who check into the platform a couple of times a day. And so if you do need to get in touch with us, please give us about 12 to 24 hours for us to get back to you. Often we will get back to you much sooner. But please remember that we're not AI agents, but we are happy to help you find what you need. Take care and reach out with questions. Thank you.